Discover the future of wearable tech with the best smart ring for men. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best smart ring for men that offer discrete health tracking, sleep monitoring, and activity insights, all in a sleek, masculine design that blends seamlessly with any outfit, from business suits to workout gear. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Oura Ring 4. The Oura Ring 4 is a sleek, titanium-built smart ring that delivers an impressive combination of style, comfort, and deep health insights. Designed for 24/7 wear, it tracks over 30 biometrics, including sleep, heart rate, activity, stress, and women's health metrics with remarkable accuracy. Its smart sensing technology adapts to your body to deliver personalized, real-time data around the clock. Unlike bulky smartwatches, it's lightweight, subtle, and screen-free, making it perfect for men seeking understated wearables. With up to 8 days of battery life and water resistance, it easily fits into any lifestyle, from workouts to meetings to nights out. The ring pairs seamlessly with iOS and Android and syncs with over 40 popular apps. However, it requires an Oura membership for full functionality, costing $5.99 per month after a free first month. The sizing can be tricky, so using the Oura sizing kit is essential before purchase. Despite the membership cost, the depth of insight and sleek aesthetics make it a worthwhile investment for men who prioritize wellness without compromising on design. Whether you're looking to improve sleep, manage stress, or track daily movement with minimal distraction, the Oura Ring 4 delivers a high-tech solution wrapped in premium simplicity. Number 2. Ringcon Gen 2. The Ringcon Gen 2 smart ring is a standout option for men seeking subscription-free, advanced health tracking. It offers continuous monitoring of heart rate, blood oxygen, HRV, stress, and sleep, plus standout support for sleep apnea detection. Developed with input from hospitals and universities, this ring delivers reliable, real-time insights through the companion app. One of its best features is lifetime access to the app with no monthly fees, making it a cost-effective long-term choice. The Ringcon Gen 2 is durable and waterproof up to 100 meters, making it ideal for swimming and everyday use. Battery life is excellent, lasting 10 to 12 days per charge, and the included charging case can extend use up to 150 days. The latest design is thinner, lighter, and more comfortable, perfect for early wear without irritation. OTA updates keep the ring improving with time, adding new features without requiring a hardware upgrade. The sizing system is unique, so be sure to use the Ringcon sizing kit before purchase for the best fit. If you're looking for a high-performance smart ring with clinical-grade tracking features and no ongoing costs, Ringcon Gen 2 delivers serious value in a sleek, reliable, and future-ready package. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Ring. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is ideal for Android users who want a stylish, feature-packed smart ring for health and fitness tracking. Designed with a sleek, minimalist look, it fits comfortably and is so lightweight you might forget you're wearing it. The ring excels in sleep tracking, offering detailed insights right from your finger without any discomfort. It automatically detects workouts and tracks activity effortlessly through seamless integration with the Samsung Health app. With a water-resistant and scratch-resistant build, it's durable enough for daily wear, including workouts and showers. This ring is currently only compatible with Android devices, which may limit options for some users, but it excels within the Samsung ecosystem. The Galaxy Ring uses a special sizing system, so purchasing the Galaxy Ring sizing kit is essential before ordering. Eligible for FSA/HSA purchase, it also appeals to health-conscious users who want a reimbursement-friendly wearable. It doesn't require a subscription for access to core features, making it a simple, one-time investment. Number 4. Ringcon Gen 2 Air. The Ringcon Gen 2 Air Smart Ring is an ultralight AI-powered health tracker built for comfort and performance. Weighing just 2.5 grams with a slim 2mm profile, it's perfect for men who want full-time health monitoring without feeling weighed down. The ring continuously tracks vital metrics like heart rate, stress, blood oxygen, activity, sleep, and even menstrual cycles. delivering personalized reports through its built-in AI assistant. It features IP68 waterproofing, allowing wear during hand washing, showers, and even swimming or diving. Battery life lasts up to 10 days on a 90-minute charge, and its reliable performance makes it ideal for those with an active lifestyle. Standard features are available with no subscription fee, giving users long-term access without hidden costs. OTA updates ensure you'll continue receiving improvements and new functions over time. As with other Ringcon products, you'll need to use their specialized sizing kit to ensure the perfect fit before ordering. The design focuses on a no-feel experience, and it delivers, making this ring perfect for sleep, workouts, or daily wear. If you're seeking a powerful, featherlight smart ring with strong features and zero ongoing fees, the Ringcon Gen 2 Air stands out as one of the most comfortable and capable options for men. Number 5. Oura Smart Ring. The Oura Smart Ring offers a budget-friendly yet highly capable option for men interested in tracking both health and fitness. The stylish aluminum alloy ring monitors heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, SpO2, and sleep cycles in real time. You'll get insights into deep, light, and REM sleep with data available through the Smart Health app without any subscription fees. The ring also supports 8 sport modes including running, cycling, yoga, and more, providing details like duration, calories burned, heart rate, and distance, days with regular use, and up to 10 days on standby. It charges in just 60 minutes or via a portable charging case. The ring is waterproof up to 5 ATM, making it durable enough for rain, sweat, or everyday use. It's compatible with Android 5.1 and iOS 8.0 and above. Be sure to check the sizing chart before ordering to avoid fit issues. The Oura Smart Ring is ideal for men seeking a lightweight, versatile smart ring that covers health, fitness, and even photography, all at an affordable price point.